Tango said.
Tengo
Yes.
sed. Sí.
Yeah.
Muy. Suenan muy latinos.
No.
Sí.
Somos mormones.
Sí.
What? Wait. Somos gringos.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh. Americans, because Americans have Cyber Monday. That's crazy. And then other people have Cyber Monday. Okay.
Okay.
So, part one. Use the information in the reading assignment to complete these questions. Describe the role of the correlation coefficient. What does it measure, and what are its bounds? It measures the direction and strength of a linear association between two variables. The direction is either up, down, or neither, and it is described as weak, moderate, or strong. Okay. What does it mean though? Like, is it saying whether something is correlated or not? Yeah, it signifies correlation, I think. Arby's bought Buffalo Wild Wings for 2.9 billion. No way. 2.9 billion. Buffalo Wild Wings sold to Arby's. So Arby's owns it now? Yeah. For 2.9 billion. That's a lot. Okay. So the answer key says the correlate. Sorry, those are restaurants here, Daniela.
Ah.
Arby's is like a really, really, really crappy McDonald's.
Oh.
And Buffalo Wild Wings is really yummy. Yeah, it's muy bueno.
Muy bueno.
The answer key says the correlation coefficient is used to measure the direction and strength of a linear association between two variables, and it just says what I said. But It is always between -1 and 1 inclusive. Okay. That's its bounds. And sketch a graph of 10 xy coordinates on an xy plane where the data have a strong linear positive correlation. So that's just a line going like this. You see it on there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we see it. Theirs is a lot cleaner. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Did you guys figure out how to use the Excel thing I was talking about? Where you do like the correlation?
Yeah, I think, yes, mostly.
So you can do it without having to plug all the numbers in. You just do it on like the one sheet where you like click a cell, hit equals, and then type COR, and correlation will pop up. And then you hit enter, and then you just highlight one column. And then when that's done, you put a comma, and then you highlight another column.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Wait, so I'm opening up the crocodile stuff. Yeah, is that what you're talking about? Let me flip my, yeah. Okay. So you click on a cell right here, and then hit equals. I can see it. And then you type COR, and correlation pops up. You click enter, and then you highlight the data, hit enter. Okay. Oh, no. Hey, it got off the thing. Hold on. Hey, do it right. Then you have to do like... Don't make me look like a dummy. Click on it with your mouse when it comes up. There we go. Okay, then you highlight.
Yeah.
And then comma. And then you highlight your second one. And then you hit enter. And it gives you your number. Which is 0.986.
This is the correlation, right?
Yeah, it's the correlation R. Or you can just copy and paste the numbers into this guy, and then it gives you that guy, and then it gives t-test for linear regression. I broke my computer. It broke it? Yeah. The correlation function. Everything's crap now. It went all wonky.
Okay. So.
Anyways. What's 3?
3. The correlation coefficient between head length and body length of the gharial crocodile is positive linear relationship, right?
For 3? I think 3 is supposed to be a number.
Oh, right.
So the number, the coefficient.
It's what you
coefficient?
get is 0.986.
Yes.
Hooray! I have that.
And then
I got
number
it.
4 is number 4. 1533.734191.
How did you get that?
I put the numbers in the t-test for linear regression.
Oh, is that in the?
We're in 4?
It's in the quantitative inference procedure.
Oh, right.
Okay, let me get to it.
Linear
Or,
regression.
yeah, covariance 1533.734.
Quantitative inference.
And then you go to linear regression.
And then you plug in your R.
You can just, I just copied and pasted the numbers in here too, just to make sure I got the right R.
Okay, I'll just do that. It's easier.
Yeah, it's easier than you have them all. Because I don't know if just putting in the R will fill out the rest of the chart.
Right.
It's a bunch of hooey. I don't understand any of this.
All right, and then the T. Where did you say the T is?
The T?
Yeah, your T test thing.
Oh, so on the bottom you have one sample T, paired sample, two sample, ANOVA, and linear regression. We're on linear regression.
Right. And then where did you get the answer for the second question?
On covariance, standard deviations.
Oh, I see it now.
All right. Yeah. It's 15. No, 1,533.
Nice.
Yep.
Right.
Correct.
1533.734.
Create a scatter plot representing the relationship between head length and body length. Well, it's already on that graph, right? Or it's on that thing.
Yeah, let's see if I can remember how to make a scatter plot.
Mm-hmm.
Discuss the relationship you see in the scatter plot between the two sets of bivariate data. So, as the...
Oh, how do I make one of these lines the x-axis and the other one the y-axis on a scatter plot?
I don't know.
Charts, scatter plot. Oh, Cash, you just click scatter plot and it makes it for you.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's dope nuggets.
Okay. So, as like the... Is it the head gets bigger, the body is obviously bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Or what was it asking?
It is asking. This is 5?
Head length and body length.
Yeah, the relationship between head length and body length. The head length and body length is a positive relationship. As one increases,
Right.
the other increases.
Yeah, it's directly proportional.
Mm-hmm. And there is a
Cool.
strong relationship.
Yes, indeed.
Discuss the relationship you see between the scatter plot and the two sets of bivariate data.
You already said.
Gabriel.
That's what we just said.
Uh-huh.
Quiz time.
Quiz. Hopefully it's a short one.
How about I'm recording? I think I said I was.
It says live,
Okay, we're recording.
unless you just did something.
10 questions. First two are true.
Hey,
Mhm.
what number is 10, Eric? Diaz.
Yes.
Don't laugh
Yes.
at my Spanish.
No, it's amazing.
It's que
muy
bueno.
It's muy bueno.
No, not que bueno.
No, it's que bueno.
No. No,
That's good.
it's muy bueno. If you say que bueno, it's only when an event is muy bueno.
Yeah,
bueno.
I know. When I speak Spanish, it's an event, and it's que bueno.
Yeah.
You can say no. It's okay.
No, she can't. She has to say yes.
Old Faithful.
Correlation coefficient is used to quantify direction and strength of a linear relationship.
Nice.
Is that correct?
Uh-huh.
Do we concur?
So I'm lost. So the correlation coefficient, we are in 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. So 4 is if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases, the other one decreases.
Are you on 4? Are you on 4 now?
Yeah. Right?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so if correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases, yes, the other one decreases. So the other variable tends to decrease.
Tends to decrease. Uh-huh.
I had to go get a bite of ice cream.
The effect of outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant.
We
think
said
that's
the other
true.
variable
it's
tends
false.
to decrease.
Right. Uh-huh.
Outliers
false.
affect it. Outliers affect it greatly.
Yeah,
they
it's
do
true.
affect it.
Oh. Okay.
Old Faithful.
Oh, okay.
Oh, my phone's slipping.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh my gosh, there's so much data.
Well, it's a good thing we don't have to do anything. We just copy and paste.
Mm-hmm. So what is the number like in the column G?
The
It is
model?
not. Yeah, it is not important, right?
I don't think so. I think the important one is in H. It's R. I think R is the correlation coefficient.
Mm-hmm.
What are you guys talking about?
I put in the numbers.
You put in the numbers?
For Old Faithful.
Both of them?
Yeah. But well, look at my screen and tell me if it's.
Oh, you're just crazy.
Put them all in.
I get.
It goes forever long. Like it's so much data.
Yeah, I got them all. So R is the correlation coefficient.
That's what I thought it was. That's what it was for the other.
H8. And then the covariance is N8.
I think so.
Yeah, so
it's 0.901.
Yeah, I think so.
Uh-huh.
What is the direction and strength between weight and duration? Well, does that come from looking at the plot?
Mm-hmm.
Because look at it.
moly.
Do you guys see my screen still?
Yeah, it's a positive correlation.
Positive. Is it super strong?
Sure.
I don't,
What are the possible answers?
positive strong, positive weak, or negative weak?
I would say positive strong.
I would too.
Yeah, it's positive strong.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
Match the scatter plot with the correlation coefficient.
R equals -1 is D, or 4.
Oh, you have to match each one with each one.
Yeah, there's so many.
So the first one, negative 0.6, we're going D.
No, my first one is R equals -1.
Because I only... Oh, mama. Because I only have 3 graphs that show up. All the others are blank.
Scroll down.
2, 4, and 6 are all blank. You kidding me? You see that?
Yeah.
No.
What is this tomfoolery?
Do you have all the graphs, Daniela?
Okay, well, 1.
No.
So the r equals 1 is just like a good straight line
So
Yeah, it's a
there
perfect
is
line.
one.
going up.
Like, I don't know how to explain this. So 1 is the second one. Like, r is equal 1, right?
R equals 1. That's your number 2?
That's my number 1.
Ah, that's my number 2.
My number 1 is r equals 1. No, sorry. Hold on. Do you see mine?
No, give me a minute.
Do you see my screen? Click on my box so you can keep on my screen.
Yeah.
So this, are you talking about this number 1?
Yeah. I think,
Yeah, this r equals 1.
yeah, I agree with you.
Right. Okay. And then number 2 is r equals almost 1. So,
So-
0.95.
But I think it's positive, right?
Yeah, it's positive, and so it's 0.95.
Oh, right.
Are your graphs your graphs like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Is A1, A whatever? Is that 1 like a perfectly straight line?
Yeah.
And then 3 is kind of like 1, but the dots are scattered.
Nope. My
And
3
then-
is totally crazy. My 3 is 0.
Ah, farts. That means ours.
Yeah.
Well, I have to just guess then.
And then my 4 is -1.
I'm gonna save it and refresh and see if it works.
And then my 5 is negative 0.95. And then this one is a negative slope, but it's not
-6.
strong, so it's a negative 0.6. That's the
Oh,
one.
yay! I fixed it.
Okay. So Daniela, do you have the same ones as me?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
Okay, but
So-
give me a minute.
Yeah. And then tell me what order you did yours in.
Okay.
Okay, bueno.
This.
Daniela, do you like the song Despacito?
Yes. But here in Mexico, that song is so old.
It's so old, like it was made like years ago.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
But now it's so popular.
Uh-huh.
But it's a good one. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. I don't know the words though.
It is not good.
It's not good like they're bad, or it's not good like they're not good lyrics.
It's like if Drake sing.
Oh. He's a potty mouth.
Do you like
Mhm.
Drake?
Sometimes. But yeah, it's something like that.
Okay, did everybody figure it out?
Uh-huh.
Give me a minute.
Okay.
What do we gotta do with this crap one and the last one? For the next 2 questions, compute the correlation coefficient. Why does it give you male and female then?
I don't know. Wonder what it's wanting us to input.
I'm plugging in the numbers to see what it does.
For the next 2 questions, take the math self-efficacy data file and compute the correlation coefficient of score and confidence.
I did it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You guys ready for the numbers?
Almost.
The coefficient one is 0.728. The correlation coefficient.
0.0
0.728.
728.
I believe that is a weak positive correlation.
0.7. Oh, yeah. If you look at the scatter plot, 0.728. Weak positive.
Mhm.
I
Alrighty.
submit it. What do we get? What do we get? Oh, we missed one.
Which one?
It's the last one. It's not positive and weak.
What?
Maybe try positive strong.
I'll try it.
Positive is strong.
That looked pretty weak sauce to me.
It's positive strong. 14 out of 14.
Okay, let me start mine again.
Yeah.
Guys, we're going to finish this one in record time.
Yeah. Under 30.
Okay, 1 and 2 are true.
Yeah.
3 is direction and strength linear relationship.
Yes.
4 is the other variable tends to decrease.
Yes.
5 is false.
Yes.
6 is 0.936.
0.901.
0.901. 7 is positive strong.
Yes.
8 is, oh, I gotta do this again. Darn it to heck.
Are yours in the same order as mine?
No, they shuffled every time.
Ah.
It's okay though, it's not too difficult.
Can you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Are they Andrew's neighbors?
No. They are, I don't know how to say vendedores.
Huh. Gangsters.
Something like that.
Banditos.
Jivanyok.
Tuvaki.
Dovakin.
Duraki.
Do you know what is elote?
Uh-uh.
Elote.
What is elote?
Elote is like corn,
Uh-huh.
But
Say
it's-
that corn, eh?
different. It's we prepare with chile.
Or mayonnaise.
It's so nice, but it's I don't know how to explain. You need to write in Google elote.
Elote.
Hey, what's the
Maybe-
answer for number 9? 0.7 what?
Number 9. 0.728.
0.728.
Positive and strong.
Mm-hmm. Hunnits.
All right, y'all.
Okay.
So we got to start figuring out our collecting the data.
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
We have some people that are gonna do it for us here, Daniela. You can probably do it yourself or have your family help you.
Mhm.
But I think we're gonna need to have that collected by the end of the week.
Yeah.
So why don't we can either, I mean, you can try to do it by Thursday. We might not finish it by Thursday. But, but we'll talk about it again on Thursday.
I'm crazy busy on Wednesdays, so Wednesday's going to be tough for me to do anything.
Yeah, I figured Thursday and Friday would be Thursday's my easiest day, and we can take Kimmy and her friend down there.
It's super easy to pop on Google Hangouts if we need to just do it for a couple minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
Or we can also just text through it too if that helps.
Yeah, we can just chat on Thursday about it, and then make sure we know for sure what we're doing by the end of the week.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm turning off the recording.